welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. And we are doing vlogmas, and today is vlogmas day 3. Today's recipe is one of my favorite recipes on how to prepare potatoes, as you can tell from the title. And these are not just ordinary potatoes, these are going to be garlic wedged potatoes. So if you love potatoes like I do and you want to see a simpler way of how to prepare them and to make sure that they are more tastier and they are going to be a perfect side dish, then stick around and watch the video to the end. So I'm starting off my recipe with these cleaned potatoes. As you can see, they are of different sizes, but I'm just going to use the ones that are similar in size because I want uniformity once I get to cut my wedges. These potatoes have been peeled and I'm just going ahead to wedge them. So to get that, you just need to first cut it in half. For this half, then go ahead and make sure that you get 3 more slices and try as much as possible to get equal slices so that the cooking is even. I hope you get the idea. So I'm going to continue with this process until all my wedges are ready. But these are enough to serve at least 3 people. So the next step is getting to branch these potatoes. We want to cook them and get them at least to 80%. So on my cooking pot, I'm adding in my potatoes. Then I will add cold water and make sure that they are well covered. The next thing you need to add is a bit of salt. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. This is just table salt, nothing fancy. And then I'm going to give them a quick stir. To cover them and let the cooking process start, I'm going to leave my flame as medium high. On this other side, I have some garlic. My recipe asks for around 6 to 7 garlic cloves. So I'm going to smash them, crush them, grind them in my mortar and pestle. Do you have this gadget in your kitchen? What do you call it in your own language? I'd love to know. Write me a comment down below. I'd love to read what you call it. My potatoes have been boiling and they are 80% ready. So I'm going to drain the water. Then I'll put them in my baking tin and let them dry for 5 minutes in my oven. My oven is set at 220 degrees Celsius. Then on this other side, I have crushed my garlic and I've just added some olive oil. You can use any oil of choice. Then for that mixture, I'm going to spread it evenly with a brush. on all sides because I want them to get as much garlic as possible. And then after this process is done, I'm just going to put them back in the oven and then cook them for about 15 to 18 minutes. Our final step, I just have a bit of cilantro and I'm just going to sprinkle it over my potatoes. Bake them for only 5 minutes and then they are ready to serve. And this is our final result. You can just serve your potatoes with the side sauce, a hot and sweet chili sauce maybe. The best part about this recipe, the cooking time is shortened by half, and then you get a perfectly crispy potato on the outside and pillowy on the inside. I'm sure you are going to love these. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, don't forget to do the good stuff, like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for those who haven't subscribed yet. I really appreciate you, and also leave a comment down below on what you do when you're preparing your potato wedges. Maybe I can also learn some extra tips from you because I know you also love potatoes like I do. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.